Hello, welcome once again to this channel, Happy Learning Maths. In this video, we are going to look at another example of the solving simultaneous equation between two linear equations and the uniqueness of the two equations that were chosen in this video is both of them share the same positive coefficient for x. And that is a good observation that will lead us to eliminate the x term by subtraction. Let's hop on to the process. Here in this page, I have showed it here, the detail of the steps, but I'm not going to bore you with all this detail, but I just want to draw your attention to the three titles that I have highlighted that is repeatedly being used in the process of solving simultaneous equation. The first step is the most important steps where you set the context right for you to go on to step 2 and 3. The step 1 is the elimination. When you in the simultaneous equation are given two unknowns. So the step 1 will set the stage right where you will eliminate one of the unknowns. And so if you have not seen my video on the basic skills, how to do this, go and check it out. It is in the playlist. And then now, once you have eliminated one of the unknown, what you do is you just go and comfortably solve the first unknown. Then once you got that, you will take that first mystery solved, and you're going to use it and substitute it into the equation. Whichever one does not matter, because either way, it will give you the true value of the other unknowns. And towards the end, you will celebrate your mission accomplished and a great congratulations to you for the full marks. Let's go on. I will take you step by step. What do we do with this? I have highlighted the uniqueness of these questions, the two equations given to you. My observation, that is surely the first things you're going to do. All right, before you start anything, you will first observe what is the uniqueness that you can do for elimination. So it is so convenient that it was given to you that both equations share the same positive 2 for x. Well, that gives you the basic idea that you will eliminate the x term by subtracting them. Positive 2 minus positive 2, gone they are. So now, let's start our motion of solving that. Now, in order to do that, what I'm going to do is, this is what you're going to write in your examination paper. So what you're going to do is you're going to copy down the question, and before you ask me why, here we go. We are going to name the equation respectively. Don't worry about what name to use because you're going to use 1 and 2. And then with the convenience of the same coefficient, what we're going to do is we're going to eliminate them. Let me put it aside, okay? And I want to coach you with the steps here, all right? So now the step 1 is elimination. Okay, so that I have a side note for you. Now, what are we going to do with elimination? We're going to use the subtraction. If you can do that mentally, of course, go on, provided you're very careful and you are sure that you have no careless mistake. But if not, let us just do it in a simple way. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put a minus sign here, and then I'm going to take a ruler and underline that. I'm sure all markers or examiners love a neat work. So now with that, you're going to see by looking at the x term, 2x minus 2x, you know that they are eliminated. And then now you come to your y term, you have positive 5y. And now you notice minus and minus, they have actually become plus, right? We have learned that minus a negative become plus. Therefore, now you got a 6y. And then now you got 31 minus 1. Conveniently, you get 30. Here we go. The sophisticated, complicated, two unknowns equations has now been domesticated. Can I use that word, domesticated? It has been simplified into one unknown linear equation. Well, just balancing up, divide 6 both sides, or some of us, we are so conveniently saying by moving, okay, moving the multiplication 6 to get by dividing 6. So now y equals to 30, divide 6. And there you go. You arrive at your final answer 6 and 5. Therefore, you got your y as 5. So that is your first answer. But that's not the conclusion yet. You have just found out one of it. You found y. Now you are on the mission to find x. Therefore, let me put it down here. Your second mission is you solve for y. Now, you're going to use, okay, you're going to substitute your found y equals to 5, okay, into any one of it. You can substitute into this one, or you can substitute into this one. Either way does not matter. So let me just randomly pick. I'm just going to say, I'm going to substitute y equals to 5 into, okay, just going to substitute into 1. Okay, then now I'm going to get, so 2x plus 5. Well, what was the 5? Yes, it is. We're going to take this and put in here. And that's 4. We're going to get 5. And now equals to 31. Then we got 22x plus 25 equals to 31. And then now let's simplify that. Let's minus 25 both sides. Okay, then you get 2x equals to 31 minus 25. You got 6, right? Okay, so now you got 6. And then by doing this, x, 6 divided 2, and then 1 final, and the conclusion, x equals to 3. Bravo. Now you have solved both of them. So you can conclude to the examiner. This is your answer. Okay. This is your answer. Okay. Conclude that. It will be sweet if you just write that out one more time. I'm sure all examiner appreciate neat work, and all examiner appreciate clear. Okay, my 5 doesn't look 5, so I'm going to rewrite my handwriting. Yep, so that is your final answer. Again, you can test it out. You can test it out by substituting them. Let's say, I'm just going to do verbally. If you substitute 3 here, what do you get? You got a 6, right? And then if you substitute the 5 here, what do you get? You got 25. So 6 plus 25, yes, it gives you a true statement. You can test it out before you submit your exam paper to the teachers or the marker. You can test it out to make sure you got the correct simultaneous solutions that works for both equations. Well, that's it. Congratulations once again, mission accomplished. All right, so this is the conclusion of this video. These are the steps, and then these are the content you would write in your examination paper. All right, and then this site is for your notes and learning. And that's it. We're going to conclude this video and looking forward to see you in more examples in the other video. And last but not least, always remember our mission is on happy learning, and have a great journey. Whatever subject you're learning, we want to keep happy learning attitude all the time. Okay, bye-bye for now. See you soon in the next video. Take care.